Hi boys and girls, so today we're going to look at multi-digit division. We're going to use two strategies today, partial quotient and the standard algorithm. The first one is partial quotient. You'll find that I have a little pause here and there where I might be just doing some mathematical thinking, so I'll try to talk over those moments even though I might not be writing. Our problem today is going to be 896 divided by 8. Okay, 896 divided by 8. Just waiting for it to come out. There we go. 896 divided by 8. Broccoli. And what I'll be doing is I'll be making the partial quotient kind of setup. So I make this kind of hangman looking item for my division. What I'm going to do is I'm going to first do my easy facts. So my easy facts are going to be for my second part of my division, the 8, which is known as my divisor. So like 8 times 10 is 80. I could put down 8 times 20 equals 160. I'm going to probably put down 8 times 100, which I know is 800. I'll probably put down 8 times 50, and I think about that. Oh, that could be 400, so half of my 800. I might even throw down an easy fact later on when I'm doing the problem. That's always okay to add to your easy facts. So we have 896 divided by 8. I want to think first, what could be something that I could fit into 896? That is divisible by 8. I think about my easy facts. I can do 8 times 100, which would get me 800. So I can subtract that 800 from the 896, and I get 96. Now again, I'm not sure what might be how many times 8 might go into 96, so I'm thinking about my easy facts again. And if you look here, I actually just remembered one other one. So I did 8 times 5, and I just put it down just in case, and I'm going to have 40 there. So going back and looking at 96, I can do 8 times 10, which would be 80, and that could fit inside 96 total pieces or something like that. I'd get 16, and then, oh, that one looks really familiar to me. 8 times 2 equals 16, so I'm going to write that over on my side there for my partial quotients, and I'm going to get 0. Then what I want to do, and I'm changing colors for this, I want to add up the numbers that I circled, which are all the numbers I multiplied times 8, and I would be getting 100 plus 10 plus 2, which you'll see me write out right here, and that will give us a quotient of 112. So as I'm about to switch over to the next type of strategy, if this is a strategy that you're comfortable with, just stick to this. If not, then I would follow along and listen to this review of long division, or the standard algorithm for division. So you're going to see me set up the same type of problem, but instead of having that partial quotient long line going down, it's just going to have the first 2 lines. You'll see it very shortly. We're going to again have the same problem, 896 divided by 8, caret. And then we're going to have 896 divided by 8. So first I want to think, can I fit 8 into 8? I'm looking at the first digit. Well, yes, I can do 8 times 1 would get me 8. So I'm doing 8 times 1. I put my 1 on top. I'm going to put my 8 underneath, and I'm going to subtract. Then I'm going to bring down the next digit. So I bring down the 9. Can I fit 8 into 9? Well, I can do it one time as well. I mess up here a little bit. I have to erase that 6. That was not supposed to come down yet. Perfect. Okay. 8 times 1 again I can do, so I'll put my 1 above my 9 now as well. It's a second digit, and I'm going to have an 8 underneath, and I'm going to subtract, and I have 1. Bring down my 6, and I have 16, and I know 2 times 8 equals 16, so I can subtract the 16 and get 0 as a remainder, and my answer is 112. Same thing as I got from the last problem. If you have any questions, boys and girls, make sure you ask me today. I'll be available for Google Meets or anything like that. Miss you all.